children, this is Sumalata, Maths teacher of Katakaya Public School. Today we are going to continue the same topic of decimals and in that word sums. This problem here. On a certain day, on one day children, Mr. Nair drove 36.86 kilometers. So these many kilometers he drove children, and before lunch, means before eating lunch, before taking the lunch, he drove that many 36.86 kilometers and 12.9 kilometers after lunch. After eating lunch, these many kilometers he drove children. So, how many kilometers did he drive that day? Before lunch and after lunch. Okay. So, it means how many kilometers did he drive in that on that day means nothing, but you need to count the kilometers which he drove the 36 before lunch and after lunch. Nothing but you need to add the distance before lunch and after lunch which he drove. Now come on here. Let's write the solution, steps here and solution also here. So distance he covered. He nothing but Mr. No children. He covered before lunch. Before lunch, how many kilometers he drove here? 36.86 kilometers. Okay. And next, distance, second step, he covered after lunch. After lunch he covered 12.9 kilometers. And while you are adding, you need to take the numbers down carefully, children. Here 12 point is there, no point should be in order, children, and point before we have 12 here and point after we have 9. Yes, children. So point before 12 and point after 9. Here we don't have the digit, means I can take the 0 here and kilometer. Come on, let's add here the total day they are asking. Nothing but you need to add the distance which he covered on that day. So therefore, required statement here, distance he covered in that day. Come on, let's add here kilometers. Now 6 plus 0 children, already you know here 6 plus 0 is 6. After you need to take 0 children. So here 6 itself, and 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 means 8 after 9 you need to take here. 8 after 9. 8 after 9 numbers you need to count. 8 after means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So we are getting here 17 when we are adding 8 plus 9. So here 7 and 1 carry. And decimal point in order, children. Compulsory the decimal point in order while you are adding or while you are subtracting. Come on, let's add here. 1 plus 6. 1 after 6 nothing but 7. 7 after 2 means 8, 9. So we are getting 9 here. And 3 plus 1 here 4. Means distance he covered in that day is 49.76 kilometers. Yes. Next word some children. Amina is saving money to buy a book. She wants to buy a book, children, and she is saving some amount here, by which the cost was 285 rupees. The book cost is 285 rupees, children. She has saved 190 rupees 50 pence. So she saved this much amount. How much more money does she need to save to buy the book? Means actually the book cost is 285 rupees. She saved this much amount, means she saved the less amount than the book cost. So she has to save some more amount to buy that book. Okay, and how much amount she has to save? She has to save to buy that book. We need to find here. More amount we are finding, so we need to do here subtraction, children. Okay, means the cost, from the cost of the book you need to subtract the saved amount. Okay, then how much more she has to save, you will get here. Come on, let's write the steps here. Now, cost of the book. Cost of book, children, here. So what is the cost of book here? 285 rupees. And she has saved. How much she saved here? She saved amount. To buy that book, she saved amount 190 rupees 50 pence. Okay, 190 rupees 50 pence. Here we don't have the pies in the book cost, children, so we can keep here point and we can take the zeros. Already in the previous videos I told here, you can change that into the like fraction, like decimals, nothing but by keeping the zeros. Okay, so pies are not there, so we can take here 0, 0, and here they given 50 pies in the second number. And now we need to subtract this. So yes, the required statement is here. She need to save. You can write the required statement from the question statement, children. She need to save more amount to buy the book. Means she required to save to buy that book, children. How much she required amount to save the buy that book? We need to find by doing the subtraction, children. Here 0 minus 0, 0. Here I gave the borrow, children, here. So 10 minus 5, 5. And here 4 it became 4 minus 0, 4. And here decimal point in order, children. Now 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. Is it possible, children? 8 minus 9 is not possible. Why? Because 8 is smaller than the 9. So you need to take the borrow here. So it will be 1 and it will be 18. Now 18 minus 9. Or else you can move from 9 to, you can reach 18. How many we require to move here? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 means I required 9 numbers to reach the 18, children. So here 9. Now 1 minus 1, 0. And here, so still she required 94 rupees 50 pies to buy that book, children. Yes, children, let's see this problem here. Raj went to a stationery shop and purchased notebooks for 150 rupees 40 pies, a pencil box for 100 rupees 50 pies, a pen stand for 60 rupees 25 pies, and a stapler for 120 rupees 25 pies. If he gave the shopkeeper a 500 note, so how much money should he get back? Okay, now you see, children, he purchased 3 items from the stationery here, which are notebooks and pencil box and pen stand, and also stapler. Four things he purchased, and for that he paid 500 rupees. First, what we need to do here? So this amount we need to see. One example I will give you, children. You went to a shop and you purchased a biscuit packet, a chocolate and a pen. Biscuit packet is 5 rupees and chocolate is 10 rupees and pen is 5 rupees. But you gave him for 50 rupee note, children. You don't have the change, so you gave 50 rupee note. Then will you get the amount back, or will the amount is sufficient, or will the amount be less? Come on, children. Book and chocolate, biscuit packet, chocolate and pen. Biscuit packet 5 rupees, chocolate 10 rupees and pen is 5 rupees. So 20 rupees total, children. But you gave to the shopkeeper 50 rupees. Means did you give a more amount to him or less amount? You gave more amount. Means you will get the back amount. Means the amount whatever you are getting the back, how you will get from amount, you are to subtract the things cost, whichever you purchase the 3 things, that things cost together from the given amount. Same here also. Here he purchased some things and he gave 500 note to the shopkeeper. So how you will get the back amount here? First you need to add this total amount of the things. Okay? Come on, let's add the first total amount of the things here. Come on. Cost of here. Cost of notebooks. Cost of notebooks, how much, children, here? 150 rupees, 40 pies. And second, cost of pencil box. A pencil box is 100 rupees, 50 pies. And third thing is pen stand. So cost of a pen stand is 60 rupees. 25 pies and a cost of a stapler. A stapler is 120 rupees 25 pies. 4 things he purchased. Now let's find the cost of the 4 things he learned. So therefore cost of 4 things he purchased. No? Cost of 4 things. So how you will get the cost of 4 things? You need to add, children. By adding you will get here. So rupees here. Come on, 0 plus 0. 0 plus 5 plus 5. 10. So 0 and 1 carry the tens place. So 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 2 12. 13 14. So 4 here. 1 carry here. And point is order wise. Come on, let's arrange this. Better to arrange this in column, children. Now 1 plus 0 1 plus 0 1 plus 0 1 plus 0 1. So 1. So 5 plus here 0 5 plus again 6 is 11. 11 plus 2 13 14, children. 14 and 1 carry. Now hundreds place here 1 2 3 4. So 4 here. So the cost of the 4 things are 441 rupees 40 pies. He gave 500 to the shopkeeper, children. It means he gave more amount to him, no? So how to find the back amount from the shopkeeper? By subtracting 441 rupees 40 pies from the given amount, which are 500. Come on, let's find the back amount here. Here you see, children, let's see a continuation of this. Okay, now how you will get the back amount here? Cost. See here, given amount. How much given amount here? 500 rupee note. And cost of 4 things. What are the cost of 4 things here? 441 rupees 40 pies. So your pies is not there in the 500, no? So you can take 0.00 and you will get back amount by subtracting, children. Back amount, therefore back amount. 0 minus 0, 0 and 0 minus 4 not possible children, you need to take the borrow, but here also 0, here also 0. Here we have 5 children, so we are taking the borrow here 4, and here first it will be 10 and later it will be 9, and here also first it will be 10 and later it will be 9, and here to here also first it will be 10, later no need children, why? Because here only we require 10 minus 4, 10 minus 4 is 6 children, point. Now 9 minus 1, 8, and 9 minus 4, 5, and 4 minus 4, 0. Means he should get back amount from the shopkeeper is 58 rupees 60 paise. Yes children, I hope you understood the addition and subtraction word problems. Now I did a worksheet on that. Have a look at these problems. Annie runs daily to keep fit. Okay. She runs 5.62 kilometers on Monday, 3.486 kilometers on Tuesday, and 4.725 kilometers on Wednesday. So find the total distance she covered in 3 days. They are asking to find the total distance within these 3 days, means total nothing but you need to add children. Okay. Take here step by step and arrange it clearly while you are adding, while you are taking down the numbers. So here you need to add children that numbers. Then you will get the total distance which she covered in 3 days. Now second problem. Pia had 100 rupees. She had 100 rupees. She bought a cap for 75 rupees 75 paise. How much money is left with her? After purchasing that, she has more amount now first before purchasing the cap. After purchasing, the 100 rupees will be less. Why? Because she purchased the cap now here with some amount. So it means you need to subtract the cap cost from the 100 rupees children. So 100.00 we need to take. Why? Because point up to here we have 2 digits. Okay. So you need to change these two into the like decimals, and later you need to subtract children. Okay. It means how much money is left with her means you need to do subtraction. First problem is addition and next problem is subtraction. Thank you children.